Hello everyone, good morning. Good morning Durgesh. Good morning all. Hello Shahid, good morning. How are you? Good morning Shivram. Awesome Shahid. Vigneshwaram, good morning. Awesome. Shall we start? See, it's Sunday, okay? Habibur, good morning. It's Sunday, we will try to cover. So everyone is ready to extend our batch for 30 minutes more. Pranjal, yes sir. Sonu, good morning. Ready sir. Awesome, Shahid. See, once we complete 3D, we will start some specific designs considering some technical points related to manufacturing. See, the designing is not only design, okay? We have to keep in mind whether that product, our final finished product, will be toolable or not. How many of you knows the toolable? What is toolable? Okay, okay, just a minute. We can unmute. Let's discuss. Yeah, you can unmute yourself. Just unmute. Astik heard first time this word. Okay, toolability. What is toolable? See, all are fresher over here. How many of you having experience of 1 year? Please thumbs up or mention me in chat. No, no, no. Astik, durable is different. Okay, toolable is something different. Astik is fresher. Okay, no issue. Any one of you having experience of 1 year in any domain? Me in chat box. Me in chat box. Fresher. Okay. Okay. How many of you are fresher? Just type F in chat box. F. Fresher. 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 And please mention your pass out year 2023 or 24. 24. Awesome. 23. 23. See, for 24, this is a golden opportunity with CAD-VERCITY. 23 also having golden opportunity, but 23 students should be very fast, okay? Because in April 24, the new batch will pass out. Sonu Gupta 2020. Do you have any experience? Are you working somewhere? See, you can unmute, okay? I think I have given the rights to everyone. You can unmute. There is no meaning in chatting, okay? ये WhatsApp नहीं है. This is not Instagram. अपन chat कर रहे. You have opportunity to discuss with me. You can ask any question related to your career and personal, okay? Sonu Gupta, do you have any experience? Are you working somewhere? Yes, no. Okay, no issue. Okay, then shall we start? Okay, 2 year of machine work. Which type of machine? See, I am asking because I want to check how you can enter into design. Okay, machine means what? Can you please unmute quickly? Only for 2 minutes, then we will start. Any question related to our previous sessions? Any command which is not okay? See, once I start cut your screen, no, I will not able to see your chats. Okay, you have to unmute and give. You can ask the question or you can answer. Sonu Gupta, machine work means what? The lathe machine or machining work means milling, milling and all. No, sir. Then what? Can you please explain what is machine work? Only last minute for you guys. Pet bowling machine. Okay. Could you please mention the website or any portfolio site in the chat box? Please send a link so that we can check how you can enter in design. Okay. So no, if you are having any website or any reference for the pet bowling machine. Okay, shall we start? So as I mentioned, once I start the Katia screen, I will not able to see your chats. Okay. So you have to unmute in lathe milling and surfacing grinding machine. Sir, I also did this. See, Astik, you can use this experience, okay? And Astik, your password here. I see. I'm not getting your point. Why you guys are not unmuting your mic? See, this shows that you are not mature. You are not ready for the job, okay? Suppose I'm your interviewer now, or even though if I am thinking to forward your resume, I will not forward, okay? Okay, Astik. Yes, Raj. Sir, if we don't get place right after we pass out, then how many month is okay for getting a job? Like how many months would the interviewer would not bother if we are idle? Yes, Raj. Okay. See, suppose you are the company owner. Yeah. To which student will you hire? The fresher or the students having 1 or 2 year gap? The ideal student for 1 and 2. Just he's just sitting at home doing nothing, no job. Will you hire that candidate? No. Okay. Suppose that candidate is working on the lathe milling and surface grinding machine, and you are a plastic manufacturer company owner. Will you hire suppose a candidate having 1 year of experience in this one, the lathe milling and all? I think I will hire because he is a technical candidate. So instead of fresher, if he is okay with the package, the salary, I will hire that person who is having the lathe milling and surfacing grinding machine info or knowledge. But it's molding na. No issue. See, how will you identify whether the student is technically good or not? So if he's having the knowledge of this technology or the process like milling and grinding, it will be easy for us to teach or to train him in designing. Even though you are designing no, you will use this surface grinding. See, the candidate who is having the knowledge of surface grinding, he will build his surface very smoothly because he knows if the surface is bad, the grinding will take more cost. He will be knowing that the how the grinding machine works. To generate smooth surfaces, we use grinding machine, okay, in manufacturing. How we build our tools for the plastic injection by using grinding and milling, yes. Astik? See, you should have knowledge of something machining processes, okay? The manufacturing and machining processes. Die making, yes. Core cavity, yes. In die making, we use grinding, milling. For holes, we use lathe. So, Astik, will you hire this type of students or candidate? Yeah, simple. Shall we start? Yes.
Sir, I was asking like, is it okay to be idle for 2, 3 months or 4, 5 months? Like, what's the threshold limit like that
See,
interviewer would
yes,
rethink?
Raj. So, first of all, thank you for unmuting, okay? So, this way you have to connect with us. See, uh, it's very simple. Suppose you are the owner. What will be your thinking process? Will you hire that candidate who is idle for 2, 3, 4 years?
No, sir.
Okay, no. So, you have to show some experience. You should have some experience. Yes, Raj, do you have such type condition? Are you in this condition?
No, no,
If
sir.
yes,
I'm in the last semester,
okay.
so I'm about to pass. But like seeing the placement condition, I
Okay.
was in the doubt.
See, message for everyone, okay? If you are in ideal condition, but now you are ready for a good career, contact CAD-VERCITY. We will explain you how to do it. Okay. If you are idle for 1 to 3 years. But yeah, now it's your time to be serious related to your career. Okay. You have wasted 1 year, 2 year. You are ideal, but it is good. Now you are serious. And suppose you want to make a good career, please contact Cadversity personally, okay? Just text on WhatsApp, mention your career pass out year and the year of gap. Even though you are having any backlog of 1 year down, please mention in the message. We will check and we will call you back. Okay? See, it is completely free. The career guidance, the designing, everything is free. So you have to take this opportunity, you have to communicate with Cadversity and a good, you have to take a good direction. Awesome. Yashraj,
Yes, sir.
even though
Completely.
you are having any friends who are having or seniors having some gaps, yeah, please contact Cadversity. We will call you back. Shall we start? So right now, so I will share my Katia screen. So please unmute and ask the question and reply quickly. Yeah. If you are giving reply, if you know the answer, give the answer. If you don't know, please reply that sir, we don't know the answer. Okay. I will not able to see the chats. Sh- Sharing. Is it visible now? Yes, no. Katia screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. So once you launch the Katia, you will see this product. You can see the product structure workbench. So we don't need this workbench. We will close the small window. You can see the upper cross and the lower cross. See, this upper cross is for the complete Katia. Once you click on this, the Katia will get closed. You have to click on the second one, small one, to close the workbench. We will open file, new, press P for the part. Okay, tick on this only, create a geometrical set. Okay, so the recording is on. What will the first step? Hide all planes. Right click H. The second step, quickly be aligned with me. We will proceed quickly. The second step, no reply. Point 000. Okay.
The screen is not visible, sir.
It is not visible.
Okay.
The screen is not visible.
See,
Hello?
I shared the screen.
Hello, sir.
Okay, stop presentation.
Earlier it was visible, now it's not visible.
Earlier it was visible. Now it's not.
Just a minute. Just a minute. I think there will be some network issue. So audio is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's visible now.
Okay. KTS screen is visible. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's proceed. So first step is point. Second is the access system. We will give the input. Origin. This point. We will every time we will use right-handed access system. Press OK. So any issue with sorry? Yes. Okay.
Position sketch.
Alt IB. We will use the position sketch. Here you can see.
We have to select the axis.
Yep. We will use this axis. Let's reverse the V. Our rule for the position sketch will be on right side.
H
H. Top side. V.
V.
Okay. Reverse the V. Swap. Okay. Low light. I will draw a sketch. Will give constant. This is constraint command. Click on this. Give some dimension. Okay. This is what is the condition now? The color.
Over constraint.
Yes.
Under constraint.
Over. Let this one. Yeah. 100. See, once you get friendly with Katia, no, we will proceed very quickly. We will increase our speed. Okay. So, okay, are you facing any issue with the mouse handling, or is it clear? how to use the mouse. See, while moving or like this, you don't have to use any keyboard button, okay? Just use the mouse. Okay, insert body. So everyone okay with the pad command? Is there any issue with the pad command?
No, sir.
No. So what is the difference between the simple fillet and variable fillet? Interview question, what is the difference between simple fillet and variable fillet?
Simple fillet dimension will be same in the whole
Okay,
hand.
okay,
And variable will be varies according to the points where we keep.
different radius.
Yeah, different radius.
Awesome. Okay, so your name please?
Asif.
Asif. Okay, thank you. Second question. What is the difference between the simple fillet and caudal fillet?
Uh, like simple fillet radius it takes from the both sides.
Hmm.
Caudal the distance of the caudal.
Yep.
No, it will take a distance.
Yes. So this is the caudal. Yeah, the chord and the simple fillet. Okay. What is the option in pad? Pad width, dimension, and pad width up to limit. Yes, up to plane. What are the multiple option in pad?
Thick offline.
Thick,
Thick,
okay. Again, this option type in types,
neutral
dimension.
fiber,
Okay, these are the tick tickable option. Any option from this one, the drop down?
Natural fiber.
Sorry, I'm asking about the type.
Up to next, up to last,
Hmm.
dimension,
Yes.
up to plane.
Yeah. Okay. Up to surface. See, we are not covered up to surface because we are not started our surfacing. Okay. We will cover it later. It is very simple. It is simply like up to plane. Instead of plane, we will give any wavy surface. What is the difference between the simple fillet and chamfer?
Fillet is rounded edge and chamfer is sharp edge.
Yeah,
it's a sharp.
in chamfer we'll get a flat surface, inclined surface. We can give input of length of chamfer and the angle. What will be the second input? L1 and L2. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so yesterday we covered all this command. Yeah. Any issue with the face-to-face or tritangent fillet? See, each day you have to practice, okay? Say you have to watch only 1 hour recording daily and you have to practice only 1 hour. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So any issue with this commands and the pad command and the chamfer? Today we will cover draft. So as I mentioned, it is very important related to our manufacturing. Okay. So let's have a
Okay, sir.
small discussion like this. Suppose I am having a plastic part. So this will be core and cavity. Suppose I will draw something like this. Okay. Will it be toolable?
No, sir.
Why?
So it has the inclination, like inward inclination, so it would
Awesome.
be difficult to remove out.
Awesome. See, green, blue, let's use white. So this is my material, okay? I want a object which should be okay for tooling. So is it what is meant by toolable? Okay, toolable means suppose you have design in CATIA in suppose you have designed this blue part in CATIA. Yeah. So is it toolable or not? This is your tooling direction. What is tooling direction? In which your core cavity will disengage and engage like this. Yeah.
Sir, this is ductile joint, right, sir?
Sorry.
Ductile joint, right, sir? Is this figure?
No, means I'm not getting your question. Duct and
Ductile joint.
no
Uh,
no 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 no. You are on different page. Okay. See,
okay,
this
okay.
is core cavity. Okay. I will explain from starting. Suppose this is a blue plastic part. I design in CATIA like this. Okay. So this is my part. Something like this. Like this. Yeah. Having thickness of something 5 mm. Okay. So I will need a tool to manufacture this part. So how will be the tool? Like yellow and green. And my tooling direction will be like this. Yes, this is a part. So will it be toolable? Is it toolable? Suppose I keep this and
Not possible.
yeah. So for the vertical faces, we should
Dame
have.
escalas de escrever.
Sorry, please repeat. Please repeat.
Sorry, sir. Sir, it was me. Sir, it was background noise.
Okay,
Sorry for
okay,
this.
okay, okay. No issue. See, someone has mentioned that the faces are inward. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
the faces are these are vertical faces for me because this is my tooling direction. I have decided that for my part it will be tooling direction. Means the core cavity will get disengaged in this direction. So once I remove the yellow line, this yellow, it will be something like this. It will come over here like this. Once I remove, it will be something like this. Yes. After removal of one, if I move this one to upward, it will be something like this, and green will remain as it is, or it will come
Yes, sir.
downside.
Yes.
But is it possible to remove or engage these two?
No, no.
No. So, as someone mentioned, the faces are inward like this. So,
Yes,
what is
sir.
the tooling angle? Okay. So, the second drawing I will draw over here. First, I will take the screenshot of this one. Finish. See, today is Sunday. Okay, we will cover some technical questions, interview question, and technicality. related to design. So this point you have to mention, you have to keep in your mind while designing any part. Okay, now the second condition. The same figure I will use. Okay. So yellow color, is it visible? Is it okay with the yellow?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will use some. So see, I have to use the same color because I want to show you what we can do. We will use this one background. Now is it okay? No, it's okay. Yeah. See, for now this is the second profile. Just give me the answer whether it is toolable or not.
Yes, sir.
Now it is vertical. Perfect vertical.
Yes, sir. It is doable.
Yes, sir.
So is it toolable? Here we have material.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
In this empty space, there will be the plastic material, the hot plastic. By using some injection molding injection technique, we will inject the material like this. Suppose here we have one gate. So everyone knows the gate, yeah, from which we will
Yes.
inject the plastic material.
Yes, sir.
So this is our gate. Same over here. So is it okay? Means can we manufacture? Can we manufacture the blue part like this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this the third design. I will draw the last one. Okay.
This is also possible.
Now give me the only one answer. The first, second, third. Which is the best?
Third one,
Third
sir.
one.
Second one.
Okay. No, not second, not third. Just one answer. Third or second or first.
Third.
Why?
So because it will be easy to inject and move in the direction upward and downward,
Okay.
and less chance of destroying of material.
Awesome. So this is the perfect answer. Okay. This your second statement is the perfect answer. So there will be zero friction between the yellow, blue, and green. Yes.
Yes, sir.
In this we there will be friction, and this is impossible to engage and disengage in first one. So can you imagine how this corner will come out from the green corner like this vertically? This will hit over here, and also it will damage our blue part. So what is this? The red line? Oh, sorry. The red line, the red arrow. What is this?
Direction.
We call this as MTD. Write down in your book MTD. What is MTD? Who can give the answer? MTD, main tooling direction. And your question was, sir, what is toolability? This is toolability, toolable. So is this blue plastic toolable in this design?
No.
In this design?
Yes.
No. Okay. Because here we will
Yes.
have some friction. Suppose the once we inject the plastic material in this cavity, and after solidification, if I'm trying to remove this yellow part and green part, will this vertical faces damage our blue part while removing?
Yes, sir. There are chance.
Yes. So this is not toolable. This is also not toolable. This is the only answer which can be toolable. So everyone now getting what is meant by toolable. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what is MTD? Main tool direction. Starting before starting any 3D, you have to think about the what will be the MTD, main tooling direction. And this is a command draft. This will define whether your plastic part is toolable or not. So what is MTD? Full form of MTD.
Main tool direction.
Awesome. So what is main tool direction? What is the draft angle? So suppose okay, I will add one arrow over here once again. Okay, I will draw a green line like this. Dot, dot, dot. Okay, so this is the draft angle. Getting?
Yes, sir.
So you will need this angle with the red line. The same angle will be on yellow. Sorry. Getting my point? What is the
Yes.
draft angle?
Yes.
These are the draft angles. So with the help of this command, we will provide the draft to make that part toolable. What will be the least value? The minimum value of draft? Anyone knows for the plastic manufacturing, what is the minimum value for the draft? See, this is interview question, okay? The complete concept,
25.
so you will watch this video 2 times or 3 times, okay?
Sir, might be 30 degree or
No,
45 degree. 45.
no. See, your requirement is this one. My requirement is this one, okay? I want this, my plastic like this. I will draw like this. My requirement, mhm, my requirement is like this, vertical. My requirement is this. This is perfect vertical. This is also perfect vertical. This is horizontal. But it is not okay for the tooling. So what I will do, I will provide a draft of 0.5 degree to make it toolable. Got it? This should be the draft. So
Yes.
safe side what we do? 0.6 degree every time. We will give 0.6. So I will give answer of why we are providing 0.6, the minimum requirement of 0.5. See, for MTD and to avoid the friction between the yellow and green, this draft is needed, point of 0.5 degree. So is it okay if we are providing more than 0.5? Will it be okay, or we
Yes.
can give
Yes.
0.4? Can we give 0.4?
No.
No, sir.
No.
No. So we will give safe side, we will play for 0.6 degree. Okay. So it will be rule for our whole team that we will provide 0.6 degree to all vertical faces. Each and every vertical face should have a draft of 0.6 or more than 0.6. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the interview question. Everyone will ask you the same question in all interview. What is draft? What is main tool direction? Once he asks for what is draft, you have to explain all these things. You can take the page and pen, draw this diagram, and engage your 5 to 10 minutes on this topic. Awesome. So, any doubt?
No.
See, this is our rectangle. Okay, I will increase the height, make it 80. Right click on body L. Okay, now we will provide the draft. The first one, we don't need the second and third draft. Okay, no use of this, just only first draft. See, in draft, we have to give two inputs. First one, first input is on which faces you want to give draft. You have to apply the draft. And the second input is what will be the neutral. What is neutral? See, suppose I am giving draft to this vertical face. Okay. So what will be neutral? The neutral will be the bottom surface. This one from which the draft will start. Okay. Like this. Suppose this is the box. I want to give a draft. Okay. So what will the draft? Like this. One, two, three. So what will the neutral? See, I have to keep this length as it is. I want this length as it is. This one. So you can see the length is same. So what will be the neutral in this command? The bottom face.
Bottom.
Okay, and what is this? This will be my MTD.
MTD.
Okay, the second, same in the second case. Suppose I want to keep upper face as it is like this. I will use blue, black, yellow, black. Okay, I want to keep this as it is. Okay, and it will be something like this. Then which will be the neutral for this one? The neutral face,
Upper.
Upper side.
upper side. And the tooling direction,
Downward.
uh, remove green, this. See, in this, I will put upward. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? See, while we are in draft command, we want two input for the faces and the third input for the direction. What is the pulling direction? Pulling direction means the MTD. I will show you this one. I will keep the grab over here. See, face to draft. Which faces I will give? 1, 2. But let's do one thing. I will give, okay, 1, 2. What will be the neutral? So
Down face.
suppose
Downwards.
suppose I want draft like this. I want this vertical faces something like this.
Bottom side.
What will be the my neutral? The bottom side, okay?
Yes, sir.
Neutral, this one. And what will you do? Pulling direction? Can you see the yellow or orange arrow downward?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is mean by that arrow? The pulling direction. You can see the
Main
pulling
pulling.
direction.
Main.
Pulling direction means our MTD. So
Main
by
pulling.
defaultly, once you apply this command, the pulling direction will be normal to your neutral face. But you can change this. Okay, you can change the direction. So here you can see the orange arrow is completely normal to this neutral, and our this bottom face is also perpendicular to our z-axis. Yes,
Yes, sir.
so I can give pulling direction. I can keep this as it is, or I can give the pulling direction to this z. See, previously it was downward, now it is upward. So is it okay, or is it the wrong direction? What will the direction, the upward or downward?
Upward.
See, once I now you are saying upward, okay. But what we discuss, what we discuss, downward or upward?
Downward.
Yeah. So see, now it is upward. I will show you the preview. Can you see the angle? I will increase the angle, let's say 15. Can you see the angle? Do we need this type of faces?
No.
So in our sketch, what was the condition? Is this the first condition, second or third?
Third condition.
No, this is the first one. This one. Do we need this one? The inner
No.
Yes, sir.
faces?
No.
No. So what will the pulling direction, upward or downward?
Downward.
I will click on this arrow. It will get reversed. Now preview. Now is it okay?
Mm.
Can you see there is
Yes.
no change in bottom length? There is no change. But this top
Upper length
surface will
change.
get increased. I will just press OK. Yeah.
Yes.
So double click on the draft. What will be the minimum value of the draft? Degree
0.5.
0.5.
0. Step side we will play in 0.6.
6.
6.
Okay. Okay. Now is it vertical or having the draft? See, I will click on this Y because I have drawn sketch. Right click H. On which plane I have drawn the sketch?
ZY.
Y.
Y plane. Okay. So once I click on the compass, you can see the compass. I will press on Y. Now is it vertical or with drafted? The vertical faces. Is it a
Drafted.
drafted? Okay. See, our sketch is perfect vertical, but once you zoom, you can see there is small
Showing
change,
the
very
step
small change.
angle.
Can you
What
see the
angle
small
is it?
change? So this
Sir.
change is very negligible. Okay, we can neglect this. We can ignore this change. It is of only 0.6 degree. But in design, we can say that it is vertical. Okay, so we added
Yes,
this
sir.
degree only for toolability. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So What do you think? Shall I give draft to this face also? Okay, just a minute. What I will do, I will increase angle for now. Let's make it 15. What we need,
Mm.
we want such type of design. Okay, with the thickness of 5 mm. Can you see the 5 mm? What I will do, pad, draft. See, once you click on the command, it will get highlighted. On this two face, I have given the draft. What I will use after the draft, I will use shell. We use this command, okay? Shell. What will be the inside thickness? 5 mm. Everyone knows this command shell. Yesterday we
Yes.
covered this one. So face to remove. I will remove this face, and this face. Yes. Press OK.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
But there is something missing related to toolability. Is this part toolable? Yes, no.
नो सर।
Why?
सर इसमें फ्रंट में भी एकदम वर्टिकल है और
Awesome.
एकदम पीछे
Awesome.
में भी।
Yes, yes. Your name?
अभी सर।
Abhi.
अभी सर।
Abhizar. Okay.
जी।
सी सो इन्होंने बराबर आइडेंटिफाई किया सर ये फेस को ड्राफ्ट ही नहीं दिया ये तो परफेक्ट वर्टिकल है ओके सो बिलो बिफोर शेल कमांड आई विल डिफाइन ओवर हियर राइट क्लिक F or you can press on define in work object so I will use shortcut for define in work object we have shortcut of F key on keyboard so right click F draft I will give this face I will select this face and this face what will the neutral face the neutral element
डाउनवर्ड।
the bottom surface this one and the direction is okay or not
ओके ओके।
okay so for now what is our minimum angle 0.6
0.6.
0.6।
see while giving interview now you have to say 0.5 but for the safe side we provide
Safer
0.6
side, we take 0.6.
we'll press ok now I will define shell see after pad I have given draft to this face of 15 degree then this face 0.6 degree then right click on shell press the F and update right click L now this is the toolable part yeah it's okay for tooling
यस सर।
okay see if you want to check just I want this view this side view what I will do I will take some tentative view like this I will set the body and will press on X see there is a small angle of 0.6 with respect to our Z axis.
यस सर।
Now this part is toolable. Clear what is toolability? It is completely
Sir,
related to
can you please,
manufacturing process. Yes.
sir, can you please repeat previous two steps?
Previous two step means okay. See what we did. What was the first step? I had drawn one rectangle like this. Yes.
Yes, sir.
On which plane?
Why?
Y plane. Awesome. Then see how to check the history. Right click F. What you have to do on pad? Suppose I'm sharing this file with you. What do you have to do? You have to right click on this command, press the F button. Now this is your first step. I have drawn one sketch, I have pad. What is second step? Right click
Draft,
on this
draft.
second command, right click F. I have
Mm.
provided the draft on this two side. How? Double click on the second command and check. You can see this box.
Mm.
You will see phase 1, phase 2. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
close. Then what is the input? The blue one, blue surface, the neutral element. Click on this box, you can select, you can check this is the neutral element. And here I will close this one. And what is the pulling direction? Z axis. Can you see? Z1, this one.
Yes, sir.
Preview. So the drafts are okay. I'll press OK. Yes.
Yes, sir.
What was the second step? Third step. This second is done. Third step, right click, shortcut, F. See, these are the two faces. Double click. What is the input? Face 1, face 2, rear and front face. Close. For the neutral, you can see the bottom face is neutral. Close. What is the pulling direction? Z axis. You can see the Z axis. The direction is downward. Preview. Okay. Don't press on OK. Just you are checking. So press cancel. Okay. Then what was the fourth step? Right click F. Shell. In shell, what input I have
Shell.
given? Double click on shell. I have given the front face, top face, and the rear face. I have provided the inside thickness. You can give the outside also. Suppose I want inside 5 mm and outside 10 mm. Press OK. See. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
See. Suppose I want these faces smooth.
Fillet.
When can I apply the fillet? On which command? Or what will the fillet
Sir, here.
position in our tree?
Sir, here now we can apply. Or before shell.
Awesome, before shell. Once I provided the draft, I will define over here, right click F. I want fillet command between draft and shell. What I will do, I will define the draft. We'll click on the fillet.
Mm.
1, 2.
Yes, sir.
Giving fillet of 20 mm. Let's see. Okay. Press OK. Now, what will the next step? Define shell, right click F. Then again right click L. Awesome.
Yes.
Is this the sharp edge or this is a smooth edge?
Smooth.
In which mode I can see the edges? Yesterday we discussed the third one without smooth edge. Here, once I click on this, you will see only sharp edges.
Yes, sir.
So once I see, can we do one thing? I can provide fillet to this face also, this edges.
Yes.
How can I do it?
Now also it is possible.
Before shell, can I do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what will the process? Where should I define first?
Now you can again go to edge fillet one and then
Right click F. Okay, then
now again to choose fillet.
sorry, please repeat.
Sir, fillet
Fillet
and take
Yes,
the
sir.
both edges.
1, 2, preview. Okay, it's okay. Then shall I define
Yes,
shell?
sir. Shell.
Right click
Yes.
F. What is the
L.
shortcut for update?
Right click L.
L.
Right click L. Awesome.
Mm.
Yes.
So this way you have to play in the tree. What we call this as tree. TREE, tree.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now
Yes, sir.
you can give fillet over here. One. See, you can see the flow. Once I click on this, it will flow smoothly. You can give the fillet of 0.5 just to avoid the sharp corner. Enter. Awesome.
So this side also
No, that side we will not give the fillet. Why? Again, it's interview
for
question. Okay.
making it sharp.
No, no. See, once I keep like this now, what will be our tools? I will draw a tool sketch. Okay. How will be our tool? This will be your interview question. Okay. So here you can add fillet. Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Where you can add the fillet. Over here you can add the fillet. Over here you can add the fillet. Here we added the fillet. Here we added the fillet.
फिर नीचे नीड नहीं है.
Can you add fillet over here?
No, sir.
No.
No sir.
So that's why on that periphery or border we will keep the sharp edge. So what we call it as? Anyone knows what is the technical word for that one? This point?
No.
No? We call it as
Parting,
is it visible?
parting line.
No?
Yes sir. Parting line.
Mm,
Awesome. So
yes, sir.
this will be a parting line. What does it mean by parting line? How will you define the parting line? What is the definition? In simple word, in your own word.
सर लास्ट एज का लाइन जिस पे अपना कोई भी अपना मटेरियल पार्ट का चेंज करता रहे वहां तक के एंडिंग होता रहे कोई एक पार्ट
Yes,
का.
ending. Okay. Or what you can say the contact between the core and cavity.
Yes sir.
Yes. So we will keep sharp edge. Okay. So I think today we have covered nearly 3 to 4 interview questions. Yeah.
Mm, yes, sir.
Yes sir.
It is in our presentation. Any other point? So here you can see how we can maintain the tree. Which command should we place where? Can I give this fillet before the shell command? Is it possible?
Not possible
No.
sir.
So can I give fillet before draft?
No.
No,
No, sir.
because once I select the neutral face or the vertical faces, and if we are providing the fillet before the draft, that face will, the selection of faces will be smooth. So once I select the front face like this will be our front face after fillet here, and there will be the fillet
Yes sir.
like this, and this will be our top face. But I will not able to select only front face. Okay. Once I select this one, it will select completely like this.
Yes.
So it is not okay. So that's why after draft command we will apply fillets. But before shell. Okay, any doubt? Yes, no?
No, no, sir. Thank you.
No.
Okay. So we are completed with this one. Don't use this second and third. Even though if you are
सर
having
इसको आफ्टर शेल भी कर सकते थे ना लेकिन
इसको
हाँ सर
yes after shell भी कर सकते हैं. But see after shell if you are applying, see how to check this one.
एक एक को जाके बार बार करना पड़ेगा ना
हाँ awesome. मुझे 3 बार सिलेक्शन करना पड़ेगा 1 2 3 4. Suppose you right now you are having 4 and suppose in another case if there are 20 edges will you select all 20?
नो सर दो टाइम में काम हो जाएगा
हाँ इसलिए मैं शेल के पहले प्रोवाइड करूंगा. Yes, see we can do that thing. For now if I don't want this fillet I will not delete this one. Right click last this one fillet object, just deactivate it. You can deactivate. See the message is suppose you are deactivate this one, this command will also get deactivated. Q because this command is depend on this fillet. You can see the flow of this command. Can you see?
यस सर
Once you
यस सर
deactivate this one, the fillet will stop over here only because there will be sharp corner. That's why if you want to deactivate this one, this will also get deactivated. But you can avoid this one just by deactivating this. I will untick this one. Don't delete all children. This fillet is a children of this one. Why? Because this is depend on the flow of this.
यस
So I will deselect this one. Okay. Only this command will get deactivated. I will right click on the shell, press F, then right click L. See, without defining also you can update. Okay, just right click L. Now you
Hmm.
can give fillet 1, 2. Okay, just a minute. Shall I update this fillet?
यस
Right click F. See previously why I'm doing right click F then right click L because I can see by right click F you can see the previously the fillet was something like this. Okay, but once I click on right click L, can you see this fillet over here only, this one.
यस
So can I give fillet now over here 4 time? Where should
यस
in tree where should I place my new fillet of this corner? 1 2 3.
व्हाट डिड यू आस्क
In tree where should I add the fillet? I want fillet on this corners.
now also we can add but that was best possibility
See, I define on this command, okay, the fillet. Can you see this fillet? I will increase the
Acha,
value.
acha.
I will increase the value till 5. Now it is visible.
yes
Okay, suppose I want fillet over here, here, here. Can you see once I click on this, it will flow something like this. I click
yes
on this, it will flow something like this. Suppose I am providing the fillet of 5, it will be something like this.
yes
So is it
ये खोलो
okay?
दरवाजा. दरवाजा खोलो.
Please unmute, please mute if there is some background noise. So is this okay or not okay? Is this okay or not okay? Yes,
not
no,
okay sir
not okay. So instead of giving fillet over here, I know that this fillet can flow. I will define this fillet, okay? Right click F. I know that if I'm giving the fillet over here, it can flow something like this. Yes, just a minute. It will flow something like this. It will come like this. It will go downward. It can flow something like this. But before this, I will need a smooth transition over here on the corner. Yes. So what I will do, I will define this fillet, and after shell, so I will apply this command between shell and this fillet. So
Yes, sir.
how can I do this? I will right click on this one, fillet object 4. I will reorder. See, we will learn this reorder later. Okay, I will delete for now. Maybe we can delete it later. So where I will define, I want that command between shell and this fillet. So where should I define and apply the command?
और भी सेल को सिलेक्ट कर देगा.
Yeah, on shell I will define, right click F. I can apply the fillet 1, 2, 3, 4. Applying fillet of 5 mm. I will increase it. Let's make it
सर
20.
वैसे सेम पॉसिबली हो जाएगा फिर भी अगर साइड सिलेक्ट करेंगे तो.
Sorry, please repeat.
सर जब भी जैसी पॉसिबिलिटी हो गई थी ना, वो नीचे रखने के बाद अभी भी शायद वैसे हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे
नहीं
भी एज
नहीं,
सिलेक्ट करेंगे.
अभी वैसा नहीं होगा. देखो, यहाँ पे हमने फिलेट दिया अभी. यस, शेल के बाद. Now you can see we are getting a smooth transition like this. Yes, see,
यस.
इस ये फिलेट पे मैं डिफाइन करता हूँ, राइट क्लिक F. Previously the fillet was something over here only, but it is in red, means it is in update mode. Once I update it, right click L. Can you see the flow?
सर वही बोल पूरा आ जाएगा अभी वापस से.
हाँ, but ये केस में नहीं हुआ था. If I define right click F, you can see here we were having a sharp edge. Yes,
यस सर.
so the flow of tree should be good if you want to minimize your design. Instead of giving 3-4 fillets, just give one fillet. It will flow something like this. So now I can deactivate or delete this command. Right click, delete. Okay. So just tell me, see, we have deactivated this one. So the first option was good or the second option was good? After shell, then fillet,
फर्स्ट.
then fillet. So the first option
फर्स्ट.
was good. So what I will do, I will activate this one. Right click, activate. I will define, right click F. I will update. Okay, this is updated. Then we applied the shell command. Right click F on shell. Right click L for update. Then we provided. So we don't want this fillet. Do we need this fillet now? We already
नो.
getting this fillet in shell. So right click F. We don't need this. You can deactivate or you can directly delete. Delete. See, what is the warning? Once you delete this command, this fillet will also get deleted. But I will untick this. Don't delete. Means delete all children. I will deactivate this. Will press on OK. So this command will remain as it is. I will define right click F and just click right click L. Awesome.
यस.
Any doubt? Right click L. Any doubt? Any doubt? See, why am I explaining and spending so much time on this? Once we start some complicated design now, you have to keep your history very simple, okay? This is a very simple and systematic design. What we need. Any doubts?
नो डाउट.
Okay. See one point. We will check our draft direction. I will define this draft. This draft is okay. Okay. And this draft. What do you think? This draft is okay or not? What do you think?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So what will be the core cavity on this side? If I draw with the sketch, it will be something like this. See here we have thickness, yes. Thickness of something 5 plus 10. So our core will be something like this. Core cavity. So here we will need something 7-degree concept. So we will cover that concept later once you start the 3D modeling. Okay, we will cover that concept later. Do you know what is 7-degree? Someone knows what is 7-degree angle? The second name for that concept is shut-off angle.
No, sir.
No? Okay, no issue. We will cover that is the interview question, okay? That is an interview question. We will cover it later. Any issue with the tree? Any questions?
सर
Yep.
सर अभी इसके अंदर अभी यहाँ पे जो फिलेट किए हम लोग ने
कौन सा फिलेट?
अंदर वाले शेल पे, हाँ ये वाला फिलेट,
ये लास्ट वाला.
आप, हाँ इसमें
हाँ.
आप थोड़ा माउस और ऊपर लेके जाए, मैं बता रहा हूँ, कहीं भी लाए हैं ना माउस को, इस पे पार्ट पे जहाँ पे अपना कंपोनेंट बना है ना,
ओके.
हाँ यहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड में भी मेरे को फिलेट नहीं चाहिए, लेफ्ट वॉल पे खाली ऊपर का ही चाहिए।
ये नहीं चाहिए.
ये नीचे नहीं नहीं, ये चाहिए नीचे, नीचे बेस पे लेफ्ट वाले पे नहीं चाहिए, फ्रंट पे, और हाँ ये वाला नहीं चाहिए अभी मेरे को।
ओके ओके, आपके साइड से नॉइस आ रहा है. ओके, ये फिलेट आपको नहीं चाहिए. ओके,
यस सर।
तो सी, अगर ये फिलेट आपको नहीं चाहिए तो ये फिलेट आपको निकालना पड़ेगा. बिकॉज अगर यहाँ पे अगर स्मूथ आ रहा है तो वो फिलेट ऑटोमेटिकली फ्लो होगा वहां से. सी, what I will do, I will copy, right click C. What will the shortcut for copy? C.
सी, कंट्रोल सी।
Yeah, control C or right click C. I will right click on this part file, will paste. I will get a new body, body 3. I will hide the body 2. Okay, this is our first body. I will hide this one. And who was asking the question? Your name, please.
सर अभी सर।
Abhi sir. Okay. So you don't want fillet over here. You just want a sharp edge. So I will check the history. First, right click pad, define F. Okay. Right click F on draft 3. Okay, this is also okay. Right click F. Okay, draft is okay. Right click F. So this fillet is also okay. Right click F. Okay, right click F. See, now you are having a sharp edge. If you don't want any
यस
fillet over here, you will need to cancel this fillet. Okay. So why this fillet? Why we are getting this fillet over here? What is the reason on this two area? By pressing
सर,
control, you can
पहले
you can select multiple
पहले लिए थे
faces.
पुणे फिलेट,
हाँ, कब दिए थे पहले मीन्स
ऊपर लिए
कब?
थे,
कब दिए थे? शेल के पहले.
हाँ
This
शेल
one.
के पहले दिए थे।
So what I will have to do after
वो वाला
draft?
वो डिलीट करने का,
Let's say delete नहीं करते अभी फिलहाल का deactivate करते. ओके.
डीएक्टिवेट कर दो।
वो पूछ रहा है ये अगर deactivate किया, once you deactivate this one, the children will get deactivated. लेकिन मुझे वो children deactivate नहीं करना है तो so I will untick this one. I will not deactivate the children. Will press
नहीं
OK.
सर, वो चिल्ड्रन में नीचे वाला है ना शायद।
हाँ तो देखेंगे ना, वो मैन्युअली कर देंगे, वो कटिया को नहीं करने
ओके
देंगे, हम खुद से करेंगे. ये तो deactivate हो गया. Now right click F, will check, right click L. Okay, define the shell, right click F, right click L. Now is it okay?
हो गया बराबर बराबर.
Now I will update the fillet, right click F, पहले ऐसा था, right click L. हाँ C, अभी आपको यहाँ पे फिलेट चाहिए था, yes,
बराबर.
ये भी साइड फिलेट लगेगा.
Yes.
So what I will do, I will add this edge in this fillet. How? Double click on this fillet. This side edge is already added. I will click on this box. You can add multiple edges. We'll select on this edge. It will get added under this one. Close. Okay, two elements are selected for the fillet. Press OK. Now it's okay.
Yes.
Now you can give fillet over here if you want. Fillet, edge 10 mm का दे देते हैं. Preview. Okay.
अंदर साइड में भी देना था.
हाँ तो इसमें भी सी कैलकुलेशन कैसा रहता है. व्हाट इज द थिकनेस ऑफ दिस प्लास्टिक, नहीं पता.
10.
शेल पे डबल क्लिक करेंगे, देखते कितना है.
5 mm यहाँ से था, 10 mm बाहर से था, 15
टोटल
mm.
कितना हो गया, 15.
15 mm.
कैंसल. सो लेट्स गिव सम फिलेट ऑफ 20 mm का मैं फिलेट देता हूँ. ओके. टोटल थिकनेस कितना है प्लास्टिक का, व्हाट इज द टोटल थिकनेस ऑफ प्लास्टिक,
15.
15.
15.
बाहर का फिलेट कितने का दिया अपन ने,
20.
20. व्हाट विल द इनसाइड फिलेट,
20.
नो. See the calculation. I will press on the Y. See the calculation. The first rule of design is uniform thickness.
So
Each
5.
awesome 5. Okay. See, the thickness of part is 15 mm. 15 mm. Okay. Once you're on the fillet area, you have to keep uniform
Yes, sir.
thickness. So, what is the radius for this one? The outer.
20.
What can be the inner?
5.
Easy.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
See, here you have the presentation. So, I have given this bottom fillet. I will give. So, will it flow on the front edge or not? If I am applying the fillet on this one, will it flow from
नहीं
on the
सर.
front? Why?
तो उसका एज वहीं पे खत्म हो जाएगा साइड में आने तक.
Yes. Fillet 1, 2. I will keep it 5. Will preview. Okay, it will something like this. Okay. So यही आपका रिक्वायरमेंट था, आप फ्रंट में एज चाहिए था आपको, रियर में भी एज है सेम.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but yeah, if we consider the tooling, this is not okay. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is not good for tooling.
Not
We will
okay.
need
Yes.
fillet. So you can see the first body. I will change the color. How to change the color of body? You will have to right click on this one. Right click on this toolbar. Activate this one, graphics property. You will get this tool. Select the first body. I will select the first body 2. Will give some color, something like blue. Can you see the difference? The gray and the blue one. Body 3 is the gray one. I will change the color. Let's make it green. Can you see the difference? Here in green
Yes,
body
sir.
we have sharp corner. If you hide the green one, I will rename. How to rename? Right click, property. What will the shortcut for the property? O. In feature property, I will type green. For naming, there is one rule. You have to rename body in capital letter only. And instead of space, you will use underscore. Green body. Like this. Clear?
Yes.
Right click, shortcut is O. In feature property, BLUE, blue body. We will use underscore instead of space. So I will hide green body. Right click H. You can see the smooth one. I will show the green body. Right click H. Hide the green blue body. Right click H. Can you see the difference between the tree? After shell we have applied 3 fillets, and here you can see the after shell we have applied only 1 fillet. So total command 1,
Mm.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 1, 2, 3. We will not consider this one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you rearrange or if you are changing the sequence of your command, you will get a different result. See, before shell and after shell fillets. Okay, any doubt?
No.
No, sir.
No. Point any question related to the tooling, toolability and all. So everyone knows what is meant
सर
by
अभी
yes.
ऐसा बॉक्स बॉक्स का जैसा अभी कुछ मोल्ड रहेगा, जैसे
Hmm.
अभी ऊपर से भी रहे, राइट से भी, लेफ्ट से भी, तो उसमें
Hmm.
कैसा बनाएंगे?
See, this is also a box. Okay. The difference. Suppose if I change the draft angle for this. So how can suppose I'm having a tree of 100 commands. So how can find where is my command? Shall I scroll like this something? कहाँ गया कहाँ गया कहाँ गया ऊपर नीचे करते रहो. How to
नहीं सर,
find?
उस पे क्लिक करते आ जाता है ना.
हाँ तो how I will do? I will right click
तो
on
जो
this
चीज चाहिए उस पे
face.
क्लिक.
Yes. जो मुझे चाहिए उसको right click करेंगे. See if I want this fillet, right click on this fillet, center graph. It will show this is your fillet. Suppose I want draft angle for this. I will right click on this, will center graph. But this is not a draft. This is a shell after draft. So if you define on the if you define before shell, right click F. Again right click on this face, drafted face, center graph. It will shows the draft command. Double click on the draft command. Make it what is our minimum requirement for the draft tooling
0.6.
0.6. You can also keep 0.6. Okay, press enter. I know that complete history will get update, so I will click on update all. So where is our shell? I'm not able to see the shell command. Why it is something like this? Previously it was something different.
वापस से शेल पे जाके लोड करना पड़ेगा.
Load नहीं
डिफाइन कर.
define करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so
यस सर,
instead
डिफाइन
of
करके लोड.
shell Can I define on this complete body, green body?
हाँ सर, उस पर भी हो जाएगा।
हाँ, right click F. So this is a final result. So किसका क्वेश्चन था वो बॉक्स वाला? क्या क्वेश्चन था, प्लीज रिपीट।
सर सर मैंने किया था अभी, जैसे कोई बॉक्स रहेगा, उसके अंदर कैसा करेगा अपन मोल्ड?
नहीं, मुझे इमेजिन नहीं हो रहा आपका कैसा क्वेश्चन है।
अभी जैसे कोई बॉक्स है जिससे अपना राइट से भी अपने पास कुछ कर्व रहेगा, तो
राइट से कर, ओके, राइट से कर मीन्स कैसे आप बोल रहे हो? इधर से भी आपको ऐसे ड्राफ्ट चाहिए क्या?
हाँ सर, यहाँ से मेरे को कर्व चाहिए।
कोर मतलब समथिंग लाइक दिस सी शेप,
यस सर।
लाइक दिस फ्लावर पॉट।
यस यस।
ओके, सो सी उसके लिए आपको 1-2 दिन रुकना पड़ेगा बिकॉज वो शेप हम नहीं निकाल सकते। ओके, आई कैन ट्राई समथिंग लाइक दिस। आई विल हाइड दिस बॉडी, विल इंसर्ट न्यू बॉडी, अल्ट आई बी, ये प्लेन पे स्केच निकालते हैं, पोजीशन स्केच, दिस प्लेन, एच रिवर्स, vertical V right side edge. Okay, how will I draw? Like this, constraint 100. We'll keep something over here. I will delete this vertical one to delete. We'll use a spline from this corner to this. Press escape, spline, escape. So instead of drawing this plane, can I do one thing? I will delete this one. I will also delete this one. I will use the constraint. I will make this line first point, second point, right click, allosymmetric V. Use the spline,
यस
spline command 1, 2, 3, escape. I will select this plane. We'll use mirror.
मिरर।
Click V. Then which command I will use? I will need a sharp corner over here.
रेडियस
Trim.
ट्रिम करके फिर
See, sketch में radius देंगे. If we are providing fillet or radius in sketch, it will be difficult for our draft command. Yes.
यस
So I will activate fillet. I will use this first one to generate a corner. 1, 2. Again trim. 1, 2. Exit workbench. अभी क्वेश्चन था इनका. I will pad. Okay. See, this arrow defines the direction of pad. You can reverse it. Okay. Suppose this is something like this. Preview. You can reverse on clicking on this arrow. Click, reverse, preview. Okay. So see, for the tooling, do we need draft on this face? How will be the tool?
नहीं सर, खाली फ्रंट को और रेयर को लगेगा।
Yes. जिनका क्वेश्चन था उनको समझ में आ रहा है?
हाँ सर, लेकिन अभी यहाँ पे भी मेरे को वैसे ही कर्व चाहिए और साइड में रेडियस
ओके
चाहिए।
ओके 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 ओके, आपको ये साइड में भी कर्व चाहिए
हाँ, और ये लाइन पे रेडियस चाहिए राउंड
और ये वर्टिकल इस पे
वाले।
आपको रेडियस चाहिए.
जी यस।
ओके ओके, सो वी विल नीड boolean ऑपरेशन फॉर दिस. ओके, सो boolean ऑपरेशन क्या रहता है? We will cover after 2 days. Okay, after 2 sessions
ओके सर।
we will start the boolean operation. See, today we have covered draft, maximum point related, manufacturing. which is very important, because even though if you are working for the 10-year, 15-year, 20-year, what we learn today, you have to consider this point in each and every project. Every day you will think about this part and the 0.6-degree draft. Okay, so your requirement is a flower pot having a curvature on all four faces. So I will use the
Yes,
mirror.
sir.
I will use the mirror extend, will keep equal something, let's say 30. It is not square. Okay, I will show you how to draw this very quickly. And you also want a curvature on these faces.
Yes.
So we will cover this after 2 days. Okay, just keep in mind and just ask me to for this concept. Yeah, I will explain.
Okay.
Any issue? Draft is covered or dress up is done. Chamfer is done. Pad is done. Shell is done. Okay. Shall we proceed for the next command? We will not use this one. No use. No use of this. See, instead of wasting or engaging our time, we will quickly start the perfect design, what we use in project. Shall we proceed for the next command? Any doubt?
No doubt.
See, the next command is the thickness. What is thickness? I will double click on this. This is mirror extend 30 plus 30. Okay. Once you click on the mirror, and if you are giving input as 30 mm, by defaultly the second limit will take the 30 mm. So total is 60. How to measure? Measuring atom, select the edge. Here you will find the 60 mm. Okay. Let me show you. Let me unhide the green body. Suppose you want to measure what is the fillet value of this fillet. How you can measure? Just click on the measuring atom. This one. Click on the fillet. Can you see the radius? 5 mm. Just click on this fillet. Can you see the 20 mm? See, suppose you want that dimension to stay it as it is, you will have to activate this one, keep measures. Click on this. Now you can check the multiple fillet. Here it's not showing the fillet. Why? Because it is in turning. It is on the turning point. So you can select this face. You will get 20 mm. Okay. The measuring tool is okay.
Yes.
Cancel. I will hide this one. Hide. The next command is thickness. So it is something. It is of 60 mm pad. 30 plus 30. Mirror extend. I can add 10 mm more on this side. How? Thickness. Click. You can give 10 mm over here. It will add extra 10 mm material. Now it is 70 mm. Measuring tool 70.
सर ये अभी जो 10 mm के इसमें कुछ डायरेक्शन का ऐसा कुछ रहता है क्या ऑप्शन?
No, no. It will be normal to the original surface. See, I can apply thickness on this face also. Once if I apply thickness on this command, it will add 10 mm. Can you see? It will consider the top face, bottom face, front face, and rear face.
Yes.
And it will calculate the 10 mm material. We'll add it in original body. You can see the tree. Okay. Suppose I applied thickness on this side, I applied thickness on this side. And suppose if I add a fillet over here of 10 mm, Can I apply thickness on this face again?
No idea.
Okay. See, I will activate the thickness command. We'll select this face. See, the error is note that one of the selected face is already thickened. However, you can thick it again. Means,
वन टाइम पहले हो चुका है, अगर
yes,
वापस से करोगे तो कर
हाँ,
सकते हो.
उनका कहना है what is the error? You have applied the thickness. Do you want to apply it again? हाँ, yes, मुझे फिर से apply करना है.
Yes.
Okay. See, you can see the effect of fillet. Once you apply the fillet, the selection will be a complete selection as per the flow of the surface. Here you can see the sharp edge. Yes. So see what will be the
Yes.
result. I'm giving thickness of 15 mm. Press OK. Can you see? Just because we apply the fillet, if I'm applying thickness on this, it will reflect on this side also. It will select 1, 2, 3, all three faces.
Yes, sir.
Any issue? See now if you want to remove this face fillet, can we remove it? I will not delete the command. Just I want to remove this fillet. You can use a remove face, but again, remove face depend on the calculation. Katia will calculate what Katia will do. See, after removal of this fillet, see the fillet flow is something like this. Yes, after removal
Yes.
of fillet, what will be the result? Something corner like
Yeah.
this, but there will be a smooth transition, something like this. Yes,
Yes.
so Katia will calculate this one. We'll press on this one. We'll select this. We'll press OK. See, in projects, we try to avoid this one, but anyhow, whenever we need such type of operation, we apply this command.
Yes.
Okay, but this command is prohibited not to use in project, but it is not necessary. Means once you deliver the project, no one will check which command you have used over here. But you have to keep your tree very simple and easy so that in future also means on next week is there is some modification. If there are some modifications, you can modify it quickly. So keep your tree very simple. Don't add unnecessary thickness, again fillet, then remove fillet, then again thickness. Okay, don't make it very complicated. So we are done with this command. We have completed with the pad. We have used the fillet, draft. Shall we stop over here? Any questions? Shall I repeat any command?
नो सर. सर रेडियस हम लोग जब डाल रहे थे तो उसके अंदर
Mhm.
कुछ वो कर्वेचर वो सब टेंजेंसी ऐसा कुछ
Okay. See fillet, this selection mode,
हाँ
tangency.
सर.
See, I will explain the minimal and selection intersection. No use of this one, okay? With the selected feature, we will use only 1, 2, 3. Even though minimal is also no use, we don't need this one. Tangency is a simple one. See, the tangency means what? We already done with this tangency. So suppose here we have sharp edge, here we have sharp edge, and here we have fillet. Yes. So what is
No.
tangency? It is a flow of fillet. In fillet, it is a continuity. So here, once if I add the fillet on this edge, we will get a smooth transition, means there will be tangency over here. Yes, with the yellow line.
Yes.
So the flow of fillet will be like this. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So this is tangency. Minimal means what? It will not, let's see. I will give fillet over here, something of 15 mm. Okay, and use fillet. See, sometime it will fail, it will pass. Okay, I will instead of tangency, okay, I'm giving fillet of 5 mm. Select this one, preview. Now you can see here it is getting the tangency. Here also we have tangency. So fillet flow will be something like this smoothly. Okay, yes. Double click on this,
Yes.
make it minimal.
Okay.
Okay, so I don't think, see, it will not consider any tangency over here. Can you see? On this edge, the red line has
Yes.
been stopped. And this is the calculation done by the fillet. Okay. So this is the difference between the tangency and the minimal. Minimal is a straight one, only
Sir,
straight.
what is that conic parameter?
See, no use of this. This is means conic means, see, we need only a calculated fillet. What is calculated fillet? Suppose this is your body. You need a perfect circle like this. Okay, this is your fillet. Yes,
Yes.
but suppose sometime if you need such type of fillet. Yes, so
Yes.
this you can control by the conic parameter, but there is no use of such type of fillet.
सर इसमें एक ऑप्शन ऐसा रहता था कि एक साइड के अंदर मेरे को इतना ज़्यादा लेंथ तक के चाहिए और एक साइड में कम लेंथ तक के चाहिए
No
नहीं
use
है.
of, see, fillet is only for to avoid the sharp edge. Unnecessary if you are using such type of parameter, there is no use. We use fillet only just to avoid the sharp edge. Okay, let's check. यहाँ पे limiting element भी रहता है. No use of this. See, I will show you the limiting element. Double click on this fillet, convert it into tangency, preview. Okay, click on the more.
Yes.
What is limiting element? What is limiting element? Means I want this fillet will stop on this plane.
Yes.
This plane means this one. This. See, we don't need such type of features. Okay, there is no use. See, limiting element. I will give this plane. On which side do you want to fillet? On the left side, on the right side of the plane or left side? I want left side. Click on the arrow, reverse it, preview. Okay. Do you need this one?
No.
No use. Double click. What is key pages? Okay. See. Uh, I will hide this one. I will add a new body, Alt I B. Alt I B. Will draw a sketch. This plane. Okay. Will give constraint. See, it is 30. Is it possible to give fillet of 50 mm on the vertical side of 30?
No.
No, but we can give it. Okay. See, what is the height? Measuring tool
30.
30. So once I apply the fillet of 50 mm, is it possible? What is the upper side? It is 47.
47.
So make it a pad, make it 0. I will do mirror extend. Okay, now it is 60. 60,
Yes.
30. So once I apply the fillet of 50 mm, it will be something like this. Do we have any material over here? No.
No.
So we will use this last option, fillet, more, keep edges. I will select this one, will give 50, 50, preview, see the error. Change the value of the parameter, change the operand of the operation. Means what is
Yes.
asking? Change the parameter means instead of 50, give the another value. Press OK. Give it 30. Will it apply 30 mm fillet?
Yes sir, हो जाएगा.
Yes. Okay. So if you want to give the 40 mm fillet or 50 mm fillet, keep on more. Click on the more. Keep edges means don't disturb this edge.
Yes.
Now give it preview. Can you see? Okay.
Okay.
So this is the use of edge to keep. So what we are saying over here to Katia, don't disturb this edge. Can I give this edge as a keep, edge to keep? Is it
No
possible?
need.
Yeah, it is
No
not
need.
possible that it will remain vertical and there will be one fillet. Now you can give 50 mm also. 50 preview.
सर यही चाहिए था मेरे को.
Okay. Are you working on any 3D?
यस सर, मैं अभी तक सॉलिडवर्क्स यूज करता था. कैटिया मेरे को मिला ही नहीं था.
मिला नहीं था मतलब सॉफ्टवेयर?
यस सर, अभी किया हूँ डाउनलोड.
Okay,
सॉलिडवर्क्स आता है मेरे को बहुत अच्छे से.
awesome. Okay, any doubt? We have cover this one, this one, this one. Done, done. See, we are, I think tomorrow will be our last session on 3D. Okay.
यस सर.
After tomorrow, we will start some technical design with some shortcut method.
यस.
Any doubts?
नो.
So how many
सर
of
इसको 2D ड्राइंग में कैसे, कहाँ से जाने का, इसको भी कन्वर्ट करना है इसका साइज तो.
start drafting?
लेकिन ये डिजाइन नहीं जाता है वहाँ पे न्यू ओपन हो जाता है.
Click on the drafting. I will select the blank sheet. Okay. This is my blank sheet. Select on the front view. Go to window, part 1. Select any plane. Okay, I will hide this body. Oh, I will use the green body. Okay, no, blue body. I will hide this one. Select the plane. Okay,
ओके सर.
rotate the orientation. You can rotate it by using this tool. Click anywhere on the screen. Hold and drag it. Awesome.
यस.
Any question? window. See how to do practice. I will explain. Shall I close the drafting? Close.
Yes.
Don't want to save. How to do practice? Okay. Window. Okay. What I will do? You will do. You will download this file. Okay. You have 4 bodies: blue, green, body 4, body 5. You will open a new file. Press P on the from the keyboard, part 1. Okay. Okay. What you will do? Vertical screen. Tilt vertical. Windows vertical. How you have to work? You have to work on this window. Select all
Yes.
3. Right click H. What will the first step? Point. Okay. What was the second step? Access system. Give the input. Okay. फिर चेक करने का यहाँ पे ब्लू बॉडी पे सर ने क्या किया था, पहले स्केच निकाला था कितने बाय कितने का. डबल क्लिक ऑन द स्केच. ड्रॉ द स्केच. ऑन विच प्लेन? चेक द प्लेन. Z, X. Where is my ZX? Something like this. Click on the plane. Position. V reverse. Swap. Okay. What was the dimension of the sketch? Click. See, it is very simple. Rectangle like this. Dimension क्या दिया था सर ने? 100. Enter. Vertical कितना था? Constraint 80. Fit all in. Origin क्या बोर्ड रखेंगे? आपको मिरर करना रहा तो मिरर भी कर सकते हैं. Constraint. First selection, second selection, right click, allow symmetric line, H. Constraint, first selection, second selection, right click, allow symmetric line, V. बाहर आएंगे, ये भी विंडो पे क्लिक करेंगे, राइट साइड, क्लिक ऑन द राइट साइड विंडो, एग्जिट वर्कबेंच, डिफाइन द पैड, राइट क्लिक ऐप. सर ने पैड किया था कितने एमएम का? क्लिक ऑन दिस. 150 बाय 92, 152 बाय 92, इधर 92 है. हम भी वैसे ही करेंगे, लेकिन यहाँ पे पैड नहीं होगा. क्या मिस हो गया अपने साइड से? व्हाट वी मिस?
ड्राफ्ट.
ड्राफ्ट नहीं, बॉडी. न्यू बॉडी में स्केच नहीं निकाला हमने. अल्ट टाइप बी, हमने स्केच निकाल दिया ज्योमेट्रिकल सेट में.
हाँ.
If I want this sketch inside body too, what I will do? Right click on the sketch, last option, change geometrical set. Select the body, press OK. Now that sketch will be inside body too. ड्रॉप दिया था सर ने. Select the sketch, pad, sorry pad. कितने का दिया था? 152 by something. It is not necessary to maintain this dimensions. Okay, it's just a practice. Okay. See, प्लेन के फ्रंट साइड में थोड़ा कम है. नहीं, दोनों को आइसो व्यू में रखते. आइसो व्यू, क्लिक ऑन दिस विंडो, आइसो व्यू. परफेक्ट है. सर ने ब्लू कलर दिया था. सिलेक्ट द बॉडी, गो टू द ग्राफिक्स प्रॉपर्टी, हियर गिव द ब्लू कलर. दिस इज योर वर्किंग फाइल, दिस इज द रेफरेंस फाइल. वेरी सिंपल.
Okay, sir. Yes.
व्हाट विल द सेकंड स्टेप? ड्राफ्ट 1. सर ने ड्राफ्ट कैसे दिया था? राइट क्लिक F. सर ने पहले ये साइड और वो साइड ड्राफ्ट दिया था. ये मेरा इधर डिफाइन है. कितने का ड्राफ्ट दिया था? 15 का. ड्राफ्ट दिस साइड दिया है, दिस साइड दिया है, नीचे का फेस है न्यूट्रल. डायरेक्शन ऐसी ही है, लेकिन डायरेक्शन मैंने दिया था Z, डाउन साइड दिया था. प्रीव्यू. ओके. कितने का ड्राफ्ट दिया? 5 नहीं, 15 का दिया था. वेरी सिंपल.
Yes, sir.
डिफाइन हो रही है. सी सी यू हैव टू थिंक, सर ने शेल के पहले क्यों फिलेट दिया है? फिलेट शेल के बाद कौन सा फिलेट दिया है? फिलेट का फ्लो कैसे जा रहा है? इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एनी डाउट्स?
No.
Okay, no issue. Shall we stop over here?
Yes.
Okay then. Any messages in chat box? I shared a jam file with meeting. Abhi sir, what is this? Jamboard means which file?
पता नहीं सर, ये तो मैंने कुछ किया ही नहीं.
Okay, no issue.
गया रहेगा कुछ. मैं नहीं गया.
Okay. Excess material will deposit on eager degree. Sir, okay. See, while using Katia, no, I'm not able to see your chats, okay? So just unmute and communicate. Any questions? Stop crane. Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
How was the session?
Nice.
Yeah. So today I think we
Yes.
have covered 4 to 5 questions related to interview. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall we stop over here? We will connect tomorrow.
Yes.
Tomorrow evening. So let me so 7 p.m. is okay or 7:30 is okay?
7:30.
7:30 is okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you then. Have a
Okay,
nice
sir.
day.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.